Hey, what's up there, party people? It's Seth. And the happy hour with Seth is Wednesday night, 10 p.m. on Strong Island TV, on Roku, on Hulu, on Tuku, on all that other stuff. I'm hoping you don't see my reflection because I'm in underwear. Anyway, tonight's the night, man. Tonight is the I call it the Great Snow Hoax. The Great Snow Hoax of 2026. Mark my words. There is not going to be a monster 2 feet of snowstorm. That's horse shit. If you think there's going to be 2 feet of snow, then I have a bridge to sell you. And yes, I didn't buy that expensive pool table cover. I bought the Kiss flag for $10. So don't forget, Wednesday night we'll discuss the Great Snow Hoax of 2026.